Example 15. In how many ways can 4 red, 3 yellow, 2 green, 4 red, 3 yellow and 2 green be placed if the discs of the same color are indistinguishable? Okay, so abdina how many elements do you have in total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I have 9 elements in total which can be arranged in 9 factorial ways, but they say that the discs are indistinguishable. Abdina all the 4 reds look alike. Okay, so how many reds do I have? 4. So it will be 4 factorial. It is basically similar to the repetition of letters. 2 e irundhaduna it is the same. Similarly 4 red irukna 4 me same da. So 4 factorial. How many yellow do you have? 3 factorial. How many reds do you have? 2 factorial. So the basic arrangement is 9 factorial, but you have to take into account the repetition. So repetition irundhaduna how many reds? 4, 3 yellow and 2 reds. So they can be, and the arrangement 4 factorial, 3 factorial and 2 factorial divide பண்ணிடணும், because that is not considered because they are indistinguishable. Indistinguishable na difference இல்ல, எல்லா பால்ஸும் பார்க்க ஒரே மாதிரி தான், எல்லா டிஸ்க்கும் பார்க்க ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு. ஸோ அதனால டிஃபரன்ஸ் இல்லைங்கிறதுனால you have to omit the similarity. So you divide by 4 factorial, 3 and 2. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 times 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial times 3 factorial enna 3 into 2 times 2 factorial is 2 into 1. Okay, so 4 and the 4 will get cancelled. 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are. So what am I left with? 9 into 4 into 7 into 5. So I have 9 4s are 36 times 35, which will be 1260. Okay. Example 16. Find the number of arrangements of the letters of the word independence. Independence. Okay. So basically how many elements do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 elements in total. Okay. How many repetitions do I have? I enga vandirukka varala. N, I have 1, 2, 3. So N is repeated 3 times. Then D, 1, 2. D is repeated twice. E, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 E's. What else is repeated? P, N. Okay, ellame eduthachu. Okay, so what is my general way of representing this? In how many ways can I represent this 12 factorial divided by, I have to omit the repetitions. So enna repetition? 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 factorial. So this will be 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 until 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial enna 3 into 2. 2 factorial is 2. So what do I have? Times 4 factorial. 4 factorial and 4 factorial will get cancelled. 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are. So what is my final result? I'll just copy the result. 166, 3 200. Okay, so this is the general result. Okay, so what is my first subsection? How many of these arrangements do the words start with P? Okay, so first subsection, how many elements do I have? 12. So I have 12 places. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So first letter is always a P. So I have only one choice for my first place. So I have 11 more places with 11 more elements. Appo second place I have 11 options. 10, 9, 8 and mari poite irukom. So basically for the first place I only have one option. For the remaining 11 places I have 11 factorial ways of representing the 12 elements. 11 factorial ways la pogudhu, correct? So I have 11 factorial divided by, I have to take into account the repetition again. So it will be 3 factorial, 2 factorial times 4 factorial. Okay, basically first element is fixed. So I am losing one element from the 12. So I have 11 ways of choosing the alphabet from the word independence. Inge vandu onnu pochuna I have only 10 choices. Here I have 9 options. Okay, so basically it will be 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so I'll have 11 factorial, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So correct, idella product panna 11 factorial divided by 3, 2 and 4 factorials. So I have 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 times 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 times 2 into 4 factorial. So இது cancel ஆயிடும். 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are. So my final result will be, I'll just copy the answer, 138600. Second subsection, do all the vowels occur together? என்னென்னலாம் vowel இருக்கு? I have E, 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 E and I have I. Okay, so I have I and 4 E's. So I want them to occur together. அப்புறம் மீதி எத்தனை letters இருக்கு? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters in vowels. And what is remaining? I have 12 minus 5, which is 7, that is remaining. So total how many elements do I have? 7 plus 1, 8. This is considered as one single element. I have 7 elements here. So in total, I have 8 elements. So I have 8 elements in total. I have 7 elements here and 1 element here. This 5 elements is considered as one single element. Appo it will be 8 factorial divided by, in the 8 elements la E in the இடத்துல வந்துரும். Okay, so you can forget that. I have the remaining letters here which has 3 N's and 2 D's. Correct? So I have to take that into account. 8 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. இது வந்து whole ஆ பார்த்தாச்சு. இப்போ இந்த 1 element we considered இல்லையா? So this 1 element has 5 different elements inside this. So I have 5 factorial. They can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, but you have to omit the 4 E's. So it will be 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Okay, is it clear? எல்லா vowelsum ஒண்ணா இருக்கணும். So இது ஒரு எலிமெண்டா எடுத்தாச்சு. மீதி எத்தனை எலிமெண்ட் இருக்கு? 12 total. So 12 minus 5 is 7. So I have 7 elements here plus 1 element here. So in total I have 8 elements in total. So 8 factorial ways la arrange பண்ணலாம். But I have 3 N's and 2 D's. So the factorial omit பண்ணணும். So I have to divide by 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 1 element here which has 5 elements inside this. So அது வந்து it can be represented in 5 factorial ways. I have 4 E's. So I have to divide them, neglect them by dividing by 4 factorial. So இதுக்கு என்ன answer வரும்? I just copy the answer. 16800. Okay? For third subsection, do the vowels never occur together? So இந்த இடத்துல vowels occur together பார்த்தாச்சு. So never na, it is similar to the example question. So it will be total minus when vowels occur together equals vowels never occur together. Never occur together. Please write it down. So it will be total enna 1663200. 1663200 minus when they occur together 16800. So what will be the difference? It will be 0 0 4 6 4 6 1. So it will be 1646400. Okay, that will be your answer. Last subsection, I'll erase the first question. Fourth subsection, do the words begin with I and end with P? So beginning ஒன்னு இருக்கு, அப்புறம் இங்க நடுவுல letters இருக்கு, end with P. So I have the first letter to be I and the last letter to be P. So I only have one option for this and one option for this. So இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு option போச்சு. So I only have 11 elements. இந்த இடத்துல one more option is lost. So I only have 10 elements. So in between I have 10 different places. So they can be placed in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in 10 factorial ways. Okay, so this can be represented in 10 factorial times 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1, so we neglect that. So first place la I, last place la P na, we have 12 in total, in which 2 are lost. 2 choices are lost here, so I have 10 choices that is left. I, P illama I have 10 other alphabets, so they can be arranged in 10 factorial ways. Divided by, I have to omit the repetition, so it will be divided by 3, 2 and 4 factorial. So this will be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2, 2 factorial is 2, 4 factorial, cancel idom, 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are. So I'll be left with 10 9s are 90 times 7 4s are 28, or I can do 5 4s are 20, 20 times 7 140. So it will be 90 times 140, which will be 12600. Okay.